All right, a big breaking news coming in Swati Maliwal's assault gate saga case. We are learning that Swati Maliwal has tweeted after Aam Aadmi Party has planned a protest, in fact, towards BJP's headquarters. Swati has said, and I'm going to quote a few of the lines from her tweet, that there was a time when we all used to come out on the streets to get justice for Nirbhaya. Today, after 12 years, we all came out on the streets to save the accused who made the CCTV footage disappear and formatted the phone as well. So that's a big word. In fact, a very crucial update coming in within the same story. Swati Maliwal has come out and has tweeted. We have CNN News 18's Yash Goyal back with us on the broadcast to walk us through all the updates that he has collected. Yash, a big word coming in from Swati Maliwal. She has very strictly said that this is about supporting the accused who has in fact made the CCTV footage disappear.
Well, absolutely, and she's equating this situation with Nirbhaya's case because she was out on the ground. She has to say that when something like that had happened, and now today when she's being faced with something like this, the Aam Aadmi Party is out on street to actually shield this accused in this matter, and this is a very emotional pitch she's actually putting across, that how she has fought for the women's right, and then now she's facing something like this. Repeatedly we have mentioned that how she was the DCW chief and how she was actually involved in mentoring women, in actually helping women in cases like these where they face some sort of assault or something bad which happens with them. And now something like this happening with Swati Maliwal actually raises a lot of eyebrows, because on multiple occasions we have also heard from Arvind Kejriwal praising Swati Maliwal for her work, the kind of work she does, how she works very hard round the clock, and in fact multiple times he has said that you can call her any time of the day or night, and she is there to help you. But now with Aam Aadmi Party putting out this very message, and in fact now protesting on the streets of Delhi, only indicates one thing, that they are trying to shield Vibhav Kumar. This is a very big allegation coming in from, in fact this is a very big statement coming in from Swati Maliwal's side. And not to forget, she has also mentioned Manish Sisodia in this very post, where she went on to say that if Manish Sisodia would have been there, something like this would have not been happened. So right now the stakes are very high on because today's messaging will be very crucial for the Aam Aadmi Party just ahead of the count of the polling date, because a message is very important to give out, that if something like this has happened, though the investigation has not been completed, yet we are not standing with some accused in this matter, and a thorough investigation will be done both internally by the party and also by the police officials.
Right, Yash, thank you so much for bringing us all the updates about that rather interesting tweet coming in straight from Swati Maliwal. She has now spoken about how exactly 12 years later she believes that this is going to be an injustice because the accused is going to be saved by the Aam Aadmi Party. That's a wrap from our side for now, but stay with CNN News 18. We'll come right back with more news and updates.